New Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency has launched raids at multiple locations in the occupied Kashmir today. According to Kashmir Media Service, an official told the media that the raids are underway at multiple locations in Islamabad and Kulgam districts. The SIA sleuths, along with the personnel of the Indian Central Reserve Police Force and police during raids, barged into several houses and seized the mobile, computer, laptop, bank and property documents. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has drawn the attention of the United Nations General Secretary Antonio Guterres and permanent member states towards the Indian Supreme Court's verdict that validated the Indian government's 5th August 2019 move to repeal the special status of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC-AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a letter addressed the UN chief and the permanent members, wrote that the court ruling is another attempt to undermine the Kashmiris. Political experts and analysts based in Srinagar have said that Jammu and Kashmir is not India's internal matter, but it is an internationally recognized disputed territory on the UN Security Council's agenda for the last over 7 decades. According to Kashmir Media Service, political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements said that the Indian Supreme Court's biased and one-sided verdict can't change the fact that New Delhi remains in occupation of the Jammu and Kashmir. Local Muslims in the Kulgam district helped in performing the last rites of an 80-year-old Kashmiri Pandit. According to Kashmir Media Service, the local Muslims in Adigam area of the district, setting an example of the communal harmony and brotherhood, came together to help perform the last rites of Mohanlal Pandit. Indian Supreme Court's decision to uphold the Indian government's illegal revocation of Article 370 has evoked contrasting reactions in the two districts of Ladakh region of the occupied Kashmir, in Muslim-majority Kargil expressing its disappointment, while the Buddhist-dominated Leh welcoming the ruling. According to Kashmir Media Service, Sajjad Kargili, a political social activist from the Kargil region, in a statement described the verdict as unsatisfactory. Pakistan caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakad has said that as per the UN Security Council resolutions, the sole method to determine the future of Kashmir and its people is through plebiscite, and no country's High Court or Supreme Court possess the authority to decide on the matter. According to Kashmir Media Service, Prime Minister said he will attend the special session of the Azad Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly, from where he will lead the movement against the Indian Supreme Court's decision to uphold the revocation of Article 370.